The Whispering Woods. In a secluded glade, where sunlight danced through emerald leaves, there lived an ancient owl named Orin. Renowned for his wisdom, Orin had witnessed the passage of countless seasons, observing the delicate balance of life in the Whispering Woods. One crisp autumn night, as the moon cast a silvery glow, a young fox named Lila approached Orin. She was troubled, her amber eyes reflecting the flickering shadows of the trees. "Orin," she began, her voice trembling, "the forest is changing, the streams are drying, and the elders speak of a great danger looming over us." Orin, perched majestically on his gnarled branch, nodded slowly. "Change is a constant, dear Lila. Yet it is through understanding that we can navigate the unknown. Gather the animals of the woods at dawn. We must unite in our efforts." As the first rays of sunlight kissed the earth, creatures of all shapes and sizes convened beneath Orin's watchful gaze. The wise owl spoke of cooperation, how the industrious beavers could mend the streams, while the songbirds could spread word of their plight beyond the forest. Inspired, the animals set to work. The beavers, with their formidable teeth, repaired the riverbanks, while the birds sang melodies that carried hope to distant lands. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, the forest began to thrive once more. In the heart of the Whispering Woods, unity bloomed. Orin watched with pride, understanding that even the smallest voices could resonate profoundly when harmonized. And thus the forest flourished, a testament to the strength found in togetherness.